Have you ever uploaded an image to your WordPress site only to realize later that it needs to be updated? Maybe you fixed a design error, changed your logo, or optimized the file size? Instead of deleting and re-uploading everything, there's a super simple way to replace any image in your WordPress media library without breaking your existing links or pages. Let's get straight into it. The most reliable way to do this is by using a free plugin called Enable Media Replace. It's quick, lightweight, and works perfectly with any WordPress theme. Here's how you can do it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to plugins greater than Add New. In the search bar, type Enable Media Replace. Once it appears, click Install and then activate the plugin. After activation, head over to your media library. You'll notice your images are displayed as thumbnails by default. If you prefer a detailed list view showing file names, authors, and upload dates, simply click the list view icon at the top. Now, find the image you want to replace. Hover over it and you'll see a new option appear. Replace Media. Click it. You'll now get two choices. Replace the file only. This keeps the same file name and URL, perfect if you've just updated or optimized the image. Or replace the file and update all links, which is helpful if you want to rename the image or completely switch it out. Once you upload your new image, hit upload and that's it. Your image is replaced everywhere it's used. No broken links, no re-editing posts, and no hassle. And the best part, you keep your existing SEO and file structure intact. So next time you spot a small mistake or need to refresh an old graphic, skip the manual work. Just replace it in seconds using Enable Media Replace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and share it with someone managing a WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.